Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I decided I would be using my new Profusion Bright Lights eyeliners. If you'd like to see how to achieve this really simple but pop of color look, just keep watching. Hi guys, so we're going to go in with the face primer by Smashbox, and we're just going to put that all over our face and make sure it's good and into our skin. And then we're going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill concealer on our eyelids. With a wet beauty blender, we're going to go ahead and blend that out. And then we're going to go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus translucent base powder, and we're going to go ahead and set our eyelids with that. And then going in with the Wet n Wild palette, we're going to go in with a cream shade. And this is just going to be our base for the eye look that we are doing today. You don't have to do anything fancy here unless you want to. Give it another pop of color. But all I did was, like I said, use a cream base. And then I just blended that all over the eyelid. And then going in with the Wet n Wild Fine Tip Black eyeliner, we're just going to go ahead and do a winged eye. And then we're going to go in with the Neon Colors by Profusion. This is their new line that just launched at Walmart. I got like all 5 or 6 colors. We are just going to go ahead and follow the cat eyeliner style that we put on our eyelids already. And basically do 2 winged eyeliners in one. Then going in with a nail dotting tool, we're going to take the teal shade by Profusion Neon Bright eyeliners, and we're going to go ahead and start putting dots in a flower formation. And you can put as many as you want. I think I did 4 or 5, but you just go around until it gets to the shape and size that you want. You can make it bigger depending on what size dotting tool that you do use. You can get them off of Amazon. You can pick them up at your local Walmart, Walgreens, Safeway, Fry's, or even a Sally's. And then going in, we're going to use the white neon bright pigment in the middle to create and finish the flower. Now that the eyes are done, we're going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill foundation, and we're just going to go ahead and blend that in with a wet beauty blender. And then going in with the concealer as well, we're going to go ahead and put a little bit extra underneath the eyes because I do have a lot of black circles going on. And then we're going to blend those out with a wet beauty blender. And then going in with the same translucent powder by Wet n Wild, we're just going to go ahead and set the entire face. And then going in with the e.l.f. contouring face palette, we're going to go ahead and use the lighter of the shades, and we're going to contour our cheekbones. And then going in with Heat Wave, this is just a older blush that I have. Go ahead and put any kind of blush on that you'd like. And then using the same face palette, we're just going to use the highlighting shade in that palette. And then for our lips, I'm going in with a cheapy, like Rimmel London lip liner. And then I went in with the shades by the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics line, So Feisty and I believe Confidence, to do an ombre look that didn't really turn out to be ombre. Cat babes, so this is the final look. This is my rendition of little flowers and a little pop eyeliner. If you like how I did this and you want to see more videos, give me a thumbs up and comment below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.